Hello everyone and welcome back to the 21-part tutorial of the bathroom tutorial. This time we will end up the toilet with only one feature that I want to add here. So I'm going to press 1 to non-smooth preview this and as well as isolate this. Right click, choose edge. Let's grab this edge, control right click, edge ring utilities to edge ring and split. Now if I will zoom in, you will see that we have two edges here, and as well as here and there. So that means that this area right now is contained and we can just simply grab this vertex here, shift right click and chamfer it. Okay. Now we will have this square here. I'm gonna use the multi-cut tool. You can, I guess you already know this process, right? So same goes here. We're gonna add those extra edges like so, and there. Alright, so switch to selection tool. Let's grab these. Let's first get rid of this face, and then right click, choose vertex. This one, that one. No, sorry. No, that one and that. Doesn't want to be selected. Okay, scale tool. Open this up. Let's press 3 to examine this circle. Looks like this vertex here haven't been attached correctly when I use the multi-cut tool. So I'm gonna zoom there, take the merge vertex tool and attach it that way. Press F8, right click, choose edge, switch to selection tool, double click on this edge, press 3 again, and see that I can maybe a little bit open this wide to that axis, and I'm going to press 1 and uniformly open them to about something like so. Extrude it, switch to scale tool, extrude it once more, scale tool, and bring it just a little bit up. Okay. Extrude it once more, switch to scale tool, create this that way, and extrude it once more, and do it here. Now I'm going to add edge loops right away in order to make it easier for us. So I'm going to add them one here, there, here, one there, no, one here, one there. Okay, let's grab the lower edge there inside, extrude it once, scale to, I'm extruding it now that way. Okay, so just a slight, like so, extrude it once more at the same, that way, okay, and extrude it once more and lift it up just a little bit, okay, upwards. I'm intentionally showing you the direction I'm extruding. I guess that this way it's easier to understand. Extrude it once more and continue lift it up that way, and then you can extrude it once, just a little bit that way, switch to scale tool, and mesh fill hole, press F8, back to object mode, let's examine this. You can go over multi-cut tool, mesh tools, multi-cut tool, and snap and attach these two. Attach this one, that one here. Do the same over here. I guess it will be better if I will zoom and take that one, that one. Now I have triangles, so I'm gonna snap here, 50 here, and I'll do that same over here, and press F8. I think I'm gonna add one edge loop here, but first let's press 3 and have a look at this. Okay, looks good. I don't want to add any more edge loops. I guess this is fine. So the only thing now is to isolate this, grab them all, edit, delete by type, history, and then mesh, combine, modify center to pivot. Let's bring in the all 3 layers. And well, there is one more layer, but I just want to see the room basically, and the other objects. I'm gonna scale this up. Switch to rotation tool, hold on the J key, rotate it that way, and I want to bring the toilet seat over there. I don't want this to be that high, so it's going to be just about where the bath is, bath height, okay? So let's say if this is the floor, this is acceptable. So I'm going to bring this over here. Maybe a little bit bigger. Just a little bit, not that much. And you want this to be not intersecting with the wall, so pay attention there. Maybe shrink this a little bit. All right. So here we have it. We will probably want to add some more details. And by the way, this should be reversed. And it didn't, so I'm going to separate those. Grab this piece here of the pivot. Reverse. Press F8. That's cool. I'm going to save this file, save scene as. And I'm going to call it 32. Okay, save as. And I think that this is it for this part. Just a small thing, because I want to do other things in the next part tutorials. And you know what? Let's do something. Just another one. Just another something. I don't know. Just a little add-on. I'm going to hide everything. Let's grab the toilet and whatever goes there. Add selected object. I'm going to create a polygon pipe. Let's rotate this. Hold on the J key. So let's turn this that way. So this is a little bit too much, but whatever. I'm gonna take polyplane here. Okay, move it over here, and let's see here. Let's grab the attribute. Let's open the attribute editor. Let's reduce all those subdivisions. Press F8. Uniformly, I want to scale this so it will fit this size here. Okay, and I want to rotate this. Hold on the J key and rotate this that way. I don't want to lose the scale of it. I want to keep it that way as part of this. Okay, so right now I don't even want to attach this. Okay, so this is only a very basic toilet paper, and I don't want to really mess around with that. I can lower down or increase those, though I want to add some edge loops. So I'm going to add one edge loop here, one edge loop there, one edge loop here, one edge loop here, one edge loop here, I can press 3 and it will be smoothed, okay? But basically, this one, we have no reason to attach it, only making sure it's like there, okay? And that's all. Press 1, exit smooth preview, right click, choose face. Let's, well, let's grab, let's see. I'm gonna create a curve, create a CV curve tool. I'm gonna switch to top view and have a look at this. I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, well, 2. So one unit here, and I'm gonna start by holding down the X here, hold on the X button, click here, click here, click here, and then click here, and click here, okay? And let's continue this. So you have here, you have there, you have here, just as goes there, and then we have here, and there, okay? Press enter, let's have a look, okay? I'll take a cube, I don't know, people probably want to grab something, some cylindrical shape. This time I will take a cube. I'm gonna right click, choose face. Sorry, I'm gonna bring this cube over here because this is where I started, I guess. Control right click, say this is the U, so I need this to be here. I'm gonna right click, choose this edge, control right click, edge ring utility, sorry, edge ring utilities to edge ring and split, and then I will grab this and press G again. So now I know where the center is. See? The vertex there, it's the center. So I can bring this center exactly where the wire is. See, where the curve is. Then, thanks to that, I will be able to just first shrink this a little bit, bring it closer, and let's get rid of this edge. So double click on this, shift double click on that, shift right click, delete edge. Press F8, right click face, let's grab this face, let's grab this curve, okay? The other circle curve belongs to the toilet seat. You can delete it, I think. Mesh, and edit mesh, face extrude, and we created 1, 2, 3, 4, let's add 10, okay, just to see how it will perform. So, see, we have that. Now this one is not equal to what's going on there. It's just because the cube was here. Okay, but we have this, and that's not bad. So I'm gonna press F8, press 3 on this item. Well, I don't know. So you see, it's not bad. Not bad. It looks quite good, but you know what? I'm gonna undo that, and I'm gonna, instead of 10, extrude it with a little bit more. Let's do 30. Click apply. All right. Let's close this. Let's press F8. Right click, choose face. Let's grab those faces and delete them. Press F8. Let's make sure that these vertices are the same where those. So hold on the V key and point to those. Okay, press F8. Now let's press 3. Looks much better that way. And I only want to get rid of this one. Press F8. Yeah, that's fine that way. Now well, press F8, modify center to pivot, switch that to the other side like so, and just rotating this. And move this here. Sure it's there, and press 3, like it's leaning on this thing, okay, that way. And yeah, I think that this is pretty much it. What I will next do is just double click on this edge, double click on this edge, extrude, pull them a little bit that way, press 3, so you see where it takes. Just making them a little bit more than that, extrude once more, and do this that way. I'm gonna press F8, shift right click, insert edge loop. I'm gonna add one edge loop here, one edge loop there, one edge loop there, one edge loop here, and one edge loop there. This one is a little bit far, but that's fine. This one here. Press 3, press F8. Okay, so that's fine. I'm gonna grab everything here. This, and that. Okay. Edit. Delete by type. History. Mesh. Combine. Press F8. Sorry, modify center to pivot. Let's bring on the other layers. And oops, let's lift this one. I don't know where it goes. Here. I think I need to scale this. I'm scaling it while it's in mesh, like it was combined, and because of that it's performing a little bit weird. But that's okay, we will fix that. Press F. Come on. I don't know, something with Maya is just awful in some ways. Maya, you are my best friend. I have no idea what am I talking about. Okay, so here is the paper. Let's scale it down a little bit. So bring it here, and then I'm gonna mesh separate those because of that paper there. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on with that though. I'm gonna press F once again. I'm gonna press 3. Let's grab that a little bit inside to this desk here, cabinet, desk, or whatever. And yeah, that's fine. If you want, you can duplicate this, modify center the pivot for it, of course, and then add a little bit more length to this paper. All right, but I'm gonna leave it that way right now. And of course, you can add more edges and just a little bit make it a little bit look a little bit more organic. So a little bit, and that's it. Save this file, save scene as. It's funny how at 5 minutes you can add a little bit more character to your scene, so why not? It's already was a very short, started as a very short part, so at least we had something useful here. So thank you for watching. Have a good day, guys and girls, and whoever watching this, aliens, space or whatever. Hope you enjoyed this part of the tutorial, and we will continue in the next part. See you.